Hi friends, this video shows how to install MetaQuest 3 Android app, then create a new account. First open this Google Play Store app, tap on this Play Store app icon. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Then here search for MetaQuest, then tap on its MetaQuest. Here you can see MetaQuest Facebook Technologies, tap on install. So now it's installing, so please wait. So you can see the size of this app, 77.59 MB. Okay, so installation completed. Tap on open. So if you have Facebook or Instagram account, you can use that account to log into this app. If you don't have Facebook or Instagram, then tap on this continue with email. Then here you have to enter your email ID. Just enter your email ID here. Then tap on next. Now we can see that create new account. Tap on this button, then we can fill this, so that way we can create a new account. Okay, so this way we can create new account. So this way we can install MetaQuest 3 Android app and create a new account. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.